I will be sharing with you the easiest way on how you can know if a channel is monetized. So first you need to install the vidIQ plugin. So from your search bar, you can easily search vidIQ. So select vidIQ, right? And then go to extension and then install the extension. You may be required to create an account, right? So once you do that, right, you just exit your browser and open the browser again, right? So I'm going to show you two channels that I have. One here, it is showing me that this one is not monetized. As you can see, this channel is not monetized, powered by vidIQ. Now I'm going to go to another channel that I have, which is monetized, which is the channel you'll be watching now, right? Not that. Let's go again, your channel. Now here you can see that this channel is monetized. Now let's go on a random YouTube channel. So I'm going to select this channel video here. I don't want to play it, so I'm going to pause. And here you can see that it is saying monetized. So now I'm going to check one of those popular type of videos that people always have question about. So I'm going to search rain sound for sleep, and I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and I'm going to select one of these channels here. So this channel is actually monetized, guys. So that's how you can really determine if a channel is monetized. I use my channel to verify it, and then I use my channel to verify, and then I also check other YouTube channels. So this is a great way. This is a great way you can identify if a channel is monetized.